Hujambo, hi everyone. My name is Sanisa and today you will learn about request in Swahili. Let's get started. 1. Nifundishe, nifundishe, teach me, teach me. Nibebe, nibebe, carry me, carry me. 3. Nifuate, nifuate, follow me, follow me. 4. Nipeleke huko, nipeleke huko. Take me there, take me there. 5. Nisamehe, nisamehe, forgive me, forgive me. 6. Nikumbushe, nikumbushe, remind me, remind me. 7. Nisindikize, nisindikize, escort me. 9. Niongoze, niongoze, lead me, lead me. 9. Nisahihishie, nisahihishie, correct me. 10. Nichekeshe, nichekeshe, make me laugh. 11. Nihimize, nihimize, encourage me, encourage me. 12. Nielewe, nielewe, understand me, understand me. 13. Nishike, nishike, hold me. 14. Nipe, nipe, give me, give me. 15. Nikinge, nikinge, protect me, protect me. 16. Niokoe, niokoe, save me, save me. 17. Nipokee, nipokee, receive me, receive me. 18. Nielekeze, nielekeze, direct me, direct me. 19. Niongezee, niongezee, add me, add me. 20. Nikumbatie, nikumbatie, hold me. 21. Nionyeshe, nionyeshe, show me, show me. 22. Niheshimu, niheshimu, respect me, respect me. 23. Nijibu, nijibu, answer me, answer me. 24. Niruhusu, 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 allow me, allow me. 25. Nibariki, nibariki, bless me, bless me. 26. Nijali, nijali, care for me, care for me. 27. Niamini, niamini, trust me, trust me. 28. Nieleze, nieleze, explain to me, explain to me. 29. Niazime, niazime, lend me, lend me. 30. Niinue, niinue, lift me, lift me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe from my YouTube channel. Kwaheri. Have a nice day.